Everyone, Gil here. I got an unboxing and an unbagging to do for you. This is one of those ones that is a crossover between Gray Man Prepping and Camp Family Compound for homesteading and gardening and stuff. So this is kind of a crossover. So I'm actually going to go ahead and record it for both sides or both channels and put it on the channels. All right. So that's Gray Man Prepping. Camp Patton Family Compound. All right, so what we have here, let me just go ahead and hold these two things here up for you. Hey, and we're going to start with the box here since it came first. Let me pull out my everyday carry here, and we're going to there we go. All right, so I got two things in here. Well, two items ordered. First one is some teak wood, wooden little mixing spatulas and stuff, because I just don't like the black ones, the stuff that they're doing. So I got that for health. And then I got this other thing here. Set that down and get rid of the box. Okay, so what I got here was some garden trays with, I don't know if you can see here, but the lids to go on it as well, so to help keep the moisture in. Now this is five trays here, and 5 lids, and so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 40 slots per tray. I'm gonna let my daughter use one of these, maybe 2 of them, for her stuff she wants to try to do, because what she had last year did not, it didn't work out with it, and the boys over there kept, well, 2 boys in particular, kept trying to get into it. So let me see if I can open this up a little bit here. Get the tape off of it. Man, I really hate it when they tape it like this. They just kind of wad it up and then tape over it so you can't just open it up easy. So a little bit better view at what it looks like. And then it has 5 water trays that these obviously sit into. So when you water and the water drips out the bottom, it doesn't run all over the place, and it acts as a reservoir to keep it wet. Then it has comes with 2 nice tools. I love these things. I get with the other pots. I'm trying to see better on it. So then, well, this isn't totally assembled right. Got all these pieces here. So let me pull it apart here to show you real quick here. So you got this here. This goes in the top here and snaps in. And that allows you to open it and close it, partly open it. So you can see it going around there. So that's what, let me go ahead and put the other one in too, so I know what one of these is totally done. Okay, the rest to the side. And that is the one item. Now the next item, I'm not going to need this, so I'll put it away. At least I hope I don't. Probably just jinxed myself. Because this one here does have a zip tie on it, and it opened right up. And then let me pull the package off here, and landed on the refrigerator. So what I got is 3 rolls of 50 feet each that can be used on the Food Saver Seal a Meal vacuum sealer. And the reason I got this is because this is the size I use the most, the 8-inch, not the 11.5. And if they had 7, or if they had 6.5 or 7-inch ones, I would have gotten those. But yeah, this was this configuration gave me the most, and I'm not sure if Now, so what I'll have to, I'll have to do this a little bit different because the Food Saver takes little small rolls that have maybe 20 feet on them. This is 50 feet. So I'll have to pre-make the bags ahead of time. But hey, it works. So that's what I got there, and that's what I got for both prepping and gardening and homesteading. Why is this gardening? Well, it's more homesteading, but still, even stuff I raised in the garden stuff, I can seal it up and put it in the freezer and keep it from getting freezer burned. And so both of these are for food storage, and so it meets both requirements. All right. So take care, and I'll see you around. And don't forget, every morning at weekdays at 11 o'clock Eastern and 10 o'clock on Saturday and Sunday, I am editing my novels over on Gray Man Prepping. And so that's what I'm working on right now. I've gotten the Against the Wind #1 done, Scouting the Ninja #1 done. I'm about halfway through Against the Wind, Running Against the Wind, book 2, about halfway done. And I will be, once I get to that point, I've got to switch over so you guys can follow the storyline a little bit. And then I'll do it, and then I was moving on to Family Compound and possibly Hardcore, which is a Marine Corps, all in the same universe. All right? Take care, and I'll see you around.